Previously on H&R Homestead.
You need me? What's up, H&R Homestead? Y'all, we are back with another video. If you look at the previous video, y'all will see that we had to cut down some of the trees that was on the property. I believe it was like maybe 10 to 15 trees that we had to cut down. Now, we did not want to get rid of all our trees, but for safety reasons, we had to. So it is very, very hot out here now because we don't have any shade. But y'all, before we get deep into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, like, and also share. Y'all, the videos has been showing our videos so much love, and we really appreciate it because we have been out here really getting into the nitty and gritty. Y'all, we almost close to just having dirt out here, and it's just, oh my God, can you believe it? It has been not a long time coming, but the process just have been tedious. It has been tedious. Oh Lord, y'all have been here with us, so y'all understand. So we just gonna take a walk around the property. Y'all see a lot of twigs, trash, stumps, stuff like that still out on the property. But y'all, we're gonna get most of this stuff cleared with the machine that we did rent out. So yeah, y'all come on and get your popcorn, enjoy the show, y'all, because we finna go ahead and get this bad boy to dirt. Come on with us. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, we are measuring the wood so that we can just cut it to the same length so everything can be put up neatly, so that later on we can actually burn this wood, because we just don't want everything just everywhere, y'all. We're trying to get this land clear. So as you can see, baby and baby girl are out here measuring, so once we come with the chainsaw, we can just cut it.
Homestead, H&R, homestead, H&R, homestead, H&R, homestead. From the hood to the woods, from the hood to the woods, from the hood to the woods, from the hood to the woods.
H&R better get lit. I'll go and get your popcorn and your chips. You don't have to decide or even compromise. Just hit subscribe and you'll be legit. How y'all doing this evening? This W Maya. From the hood to the wood, put the wood in the fire. From the hood to the wood, we never retire. From the hood to the wood, never retire.
Amen. I'm gonna have to put that song again right here where hubby is cutting that. Who you know? I'm gonna wait. Who you know that's making their own songs like this on their channel? Yeah, I'll wait. This is the Liddy channel on YouTube, and yeah, we own this beat. And I tell you, If y'all ain't subscribing, that's cool, because your mama will, your grandmama will, your uncle will. I mean, you don't got to continue to be a hater in the back. Let me go ahead and play my baby songs one more time, because on H&R Homestead, the only thing we do is cut it.
H&R Homestead. H&R Homestead. H&R Homestead. H&R Homestead. From the hood to the woods. From the hood to the woods. From the hood to the woods. From the hood to the woods.
H&R better get lit. Now go and get your popcorn and your chips. You don't have to decide or even compromise. Just hit subscribe and you'll be legit. How y'all doing this evening? This DW Maya. From the hood to the wood. Put the wood in the fire. From the hood to the wood. We never retire. From the hood to the wood. Never retire.
Oh, this is fire. Thank you. No, it don't.
Look y'all, the dirt bike.
Dirt bike. That ain't for no kids, though. Yeah, look like it.
It's a Coleman. I only know Coleman to make like generators and stuff like that.
That's wrong. We gotta go like in the camper aisle. Come on, Lyric, walk in front of me. You heard me? Camper aisle. Oh, babe, look, the chainsaw. That's for the 16 one. Oh, babe, look, do you need the gas? Oh, the box something. Oh, yeah, that is.
Okay, y'all, we are back on the property, and today we will be putting up the cameras. We took the other cameras back and got these ones right here. The reason why we took the other ones back and got these ones is because they're called Edge 2 outdoor cameras. It's for like game. It's for like if you're in the wild or in the forest or woods and you're looking for deer and stuff like that. But also, it's a good camera. It's a pretty good camera. So we're gonna try these. They come with straps, and we're gonna do it like that. We're gonna set it up so y'all just continue to watch and follow. Maya, say something.
Hi. You're good, Daddy.
How long y'all let that in?
Go, Daddy. I'm gonna take a picture.
Move out the way. Move, Lily. Don't worry about it. Just stay out the way. Back up now. Lily, back up. Hey, back up. Yeah, go to that school now. What? Yeah. Hey, that look like some black dirt to me. Look like black dirt to me. I said that look like black dirt to me. Yeah, so right here, as you can see, first of all, I want to start at you guys watching me just pull it up, and I'm sure we edited pretty good. You edited all this, me pulling up and grabbing the things. But to be honest with you, I learned how to operate this machine over 5 years ago from the same dude that came out there and did the dirt work originally for us. And he taught me I got about 20 minutes of seat time. And from there, I took that knowledge and the knowledge that from other older people like Uncle Mike, like Mr. J, and people I know that have a lot of seat time, seasoned people. And I just learned what I can, and that's how I did it. And when I did it like that, reach one, teach one. So my family gonna be up on it. But most definitely, this is me. Basically, I'm just trying to get that solid ground back into like the dirt original form. Like just scratching up the surface really and getting ready for dirt to be poured. It just seemed like it meshed a little better when it's all mixed up, So yeah, just continue to watch, and I'm just getting, as you can see, I'm getting the brush, the underbrush and roots out of the ground. I try to get, as you can see right here, I did dig that tree out. Okay, I did dig that root out, but that was a little tree. See, with the big pine trees, if it's that high up and I cut it that far down to cut it off under the ground, you're gonna it's too deep. That's what I'm gonna say. It's too deep, and I prefer to just go a little bit under grade and cut it off because we're gonna add dirt anyways on top. So the stumps is like they're not even gonna be there. I'm gonna take that route than just digging up big gouges and holes in the property just to get up all these roots.